Yaksha in Hindu mythology. Yaksha is a celestial being who is known for his wisdom, strength, and courage. In this video, we will take a deep dive into the story of Yaksha and explore his journey in Hindu mythology. Origin of Yaksha. Yaksha's origin can be traced back to the Vedas, the ancient Hindu scriptures. According to the Vedas, Yakshas were the guardians of the natural world and were believed to be a powerful force of nature. Yakshas were known to be protectors of the forests, rivers, and mountains. In Hindu mythology, Yakshas were considered to be a part of the divine army of Lord Rama.